What is one of the number one salads at summertime? It is a marinated cucumber, onion, and tomato salad. It's one of the number one cold salads during the summertime. And I'm going to show y'all my recipe, and I'll get y'all down here and show you the ingredients real quick. Now there's a lot of recipes out there for marinated cucumbers, and they're all good, I can tell you, because I've ate a lot of them. But I'm just going to show you my recipe and just a little bit of different things that I do to it. Now I've got my cucumbers here, and I've got two different kinds of cucumbers. For this recipe, you're going to need about probably 3 good-sized medium cucumbers. I've got a few tomatoes here that I've gotten out of the garden. I really would wanted a bigger one, but this is what I've got, so that's what I'm going to use today. And I've got 2 small purple onions. You can use any kind of onions you got, and I just sliced them up. I'm going to cut up my cucumbers. I got salt and pepper. I've got about 1/4 of a cup of sugar. I've got 1/2 cup of white distilled vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar. For this kind of a salad, I really would rather use the white vinegar for it. I got 1/4 of a cup of oil. You can use olive oil. I'm going to use peanut oil. If what you use is vegetable oil, you can use that. Whatever kind of oil that you use. And I've got a cup of water. I've also got a little bit of dill here. And I've got some lemon thyme that I've gotten out of the garden. And I've got just a little bit of a sprig of oregano. So I'm going to get my cucumbers cut up, my tomatoes cut up, and we're going to mix our ingredients up here in a minute, and we'll get it all together, and I'll show you how to store it. Our dressing for our marinated cucumbers. And I've got a cup of water. I've got 1/2 cup of distilled white vinegar. I've got 1/4 cup of oil, and whatever oil you prefer to use will be okay. I've got around 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Now you can use stevia. You can use honey if you want to. And I'll probably do that next time I make it. I'm going to probably make it with a little bit of honey. If you use raw sugar, it doesn't seem to dissolve, and you kind of got a gritty texture to it. I'm going to put a couple of, about 1.5 teaspoons of salt, teaspoon of pepper, and that's all it is. That is your vinaigrette, your dressing for your marinated cucumbers. Now I make a lot of different vinaigrettes, and we make our own ranch dressing. I make a homemade French or like a Catalina dressing too, and I need to do some videos on that. I don't anymore. I just never buy store-bought salad dressing anymore. It's so easy to make up, and it's just 100 times fresher, and it just tastes better to me. So we got that done. I've got me a few tomatoes out of the garden cut up there. Like I said, I wish I had a few more, but that's all I've got today. The onions and the cucumbers. Let me find me a spoon. And I had 4 medium cucumbers, and I had 2 little small ones. And I just went ahead and cut them up. But you don't want to put no more than that with this amount of vinaigrette. You want to make sure that your vinaigrette's stirred up good. I'm going to put my onions in here, and I just sliced them up, and I'm just going to kind of separate them a little bit. This is such a refreshing salad this time of year. Me and Mr. Round, we really like cold salads, and we really like them in the summertime. And I'm going to try to do some more recipes on different cold salads for this time of year. It's just, when it gets up in the 90s and 100s, it's hard on people to eat too heavy, to eat a lot of carbs. So these cold salads are really good for you. Not too heavy on the belly. My onions come out of the garden. And I love marinated onions. So now I'm just going to put my vinaigrette in here. Make sure I get all that sugar and salt and stuff. And I'm going to toss them around. And the way I store this, and I'm going to show you here in just a minute how I store it, and you want to put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. If you're lucky to have any left for the next day, that's good because it really marinates. But any more than 2 days, it starts getting mushy. But a lot of times it gets ate up. So let me get my container, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to store this in the fridge. It makes a pretty presentation too. This is how I'm going to store my marinated cucumbers, onions, and tomatoes. I think this is the best way to do it. Just put it in a quart jar. Put your lid on it. And I want to show you, I put my thyme and my oregano, and I've got my dill in here. And that's just how easy that is. Now, you can double this recipe, triple it, quadruple it, whatever you want to do, and make it in a big gallon jar and take it to the river if you're having a family get-together or something, because I guarantee you every bit of it will be ate. It is a good cold salad. So y'all need to try it. And it makes a really pretty side dish too. I hope y'all like this recipe, and I hope y'all try it because it's delicious. If y'all like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And there's some people that's having trouble finding my recipes. So at the end of this video, I'm just going to show you just a little tidbit of how easy it is to go to my description box and to find my Amazon shop store and to find the recipes and to be able to find the rest of my videos.
Okay, so we're going to show you, maybe if I can, how to find a lot of Whippoorwill Holler's videos and everything that's in the description box. Now if you go to Whippoorwill Holler, and right here you click on Whippoorwill Holler, instead of, it'll have recipes and videos down here, but you go up here to Whippoorwill Holler and you click on it, and it's going to go to the main page, and it's going to show you videos, and it'll show you every video that's ever been done. You click on that video, and it's going to have every video, have all of them listed, every one that's ever been done, and you can go through there and watch what you would like to watch.
They also have that playlist too. Now I don't have my playlist updated right now, I just haven't had time, but the playlist, like if you're looking for a canning recipe, you can click on that, on the playlist, and look for canning. Click on canning, and it'll play all.
You got canning. It's
Yeah.
got your meatless Monday. It's got different
Yeah,
things.
you don't have to click on it though. But so that's your playlist. The reason we're showing this is I've been getting a lot of comments, people having trouble not being able to, where's all your videos? I don't know how to get to them. And then one of my biggest questions is, how do I get to your recipes and your description box for your Amazon store? So click on that one.
We're going to click on the latest video. You see how fast our internet is.
Yeah, we got good internet.
And there's a commercial. But anyway, we're going to go right here. Under the video is the description box.
Yeah,
Where the comments are. It's right under the video.
And you have to be subscribed to the channel to
be notified and to be able to watch, right? I mean, some of it.
Yeah, if you're not, I know some people are like, I don't know how to get to it, but if you're not subscribed to the channel, you're just, you can't see the comments and you can't comment. And you can't get to the description box.
Your subscribe is right here. And I'm going to unsubscribe. When you're unsubscribed, normally your box is red. You see the subscribe right there, so you want to click on that subscribe. And then it has a little bell right here. That's a notification bell to let you know when there's been a new video put up. So you want all, you can personalize it, but you want all to pop up, and it looks like that.
Now this is for any channel that you're watching. It's the same thing. So
same thing. Now sometimes, somehow or another, your notifications may not be letting you know. So you go back and do this over again, and it should start again.
Okay, where it says show more.
Right, right here, where it says, this is just in the description box, it says show more. You click on that, and that should have your recipe. It'll show your recipe. It has her Gmail. It has Amazon shopping, where you can shop through her to buy something, which doesn't cost you any more, but you can use that app right there and click on it and do some shopping, and it helps our channel out a little.
That's the silly cameras going in and out, in and out. Okay. But anyways, that's the gist of it, because we just, and I know that if you're, new to YouTube, or just like me and not real astute to, stuff like this, it's hard to know. You're going to be still because the camera's going in and out for some reason.
Well, it's silly, ain't
it? Yeah. But anyways, we just want to show y'all, and this is with any channel. This is how you'll get to the different videos and how to get to the recipes. I'll show you one more time.
You said show more right there.
Now on my phone, when I'm looking on my phone, it doesn't say show more. It's just a little arrow. But on computer, I guess, it says show more. And that shows you the recipes, and sometimes I have different information on there. So it's that easy.
And then right here's a little trick that mine has sort by on your comments. If you're reading comments like we do all the time, 24 hours a day, seems like, which we really enjoy them. It has the newest. You can click on the newest comments, and mine will bring up the one like this one right here was 3 minutes ago. It'll start from the newest and go back to the oldest, which helps me because I've done read a bunch of them.
Okay.
But anyway, that's pretty much the gist of it.
Go back to our page. Show them that one more time.
Back to the page. Oh, I did. I went way back.
You went back too far. We won't give out that information. Y'all look at my mantle. Isn't that pretty? I was feeling really patriotic. Put me up a little bit. Are you ready?
Well, I'm gonna go up here to my search bar on YouTube, and it says Whippoorwill Holler right here. And if it doesn't come up Whippoorwill Holler, you type in Whippoorwill Holler, and it's gonna go to our home page, and you click right here. I mean, it's gonna show you several videos, but it's not all of them. Click right here on Whippoorwill Holler, and that goes to our home page. And if you want to look at all the videos, which she's got 250 something, I believe, you click on videos, and that's going to show you all the videos that she's ever done.
Okay. We just wanted to help some people that's been asking. We're here to help. So guys, y'all have a good week, and I hope this helps some of y'all out, and we'll talk at you later.